pressure are being positive. I look that the player didn't accept the moment that we are leaving. They are professional. They give me what I asked to them. They are positive. They want to react. We respect everyone. They are doing a good job. It's a good team, organized team. They play well. But now I'm concentrating on what we have to do with my player. We discuss a lot about the way that we have to try to start this game, how can be important this game for every one of us. So we have to prepare to be ready. We will try to change something. It's not just about the system or about tactical. I think that in this moment we need more confidence. We need to try to play our football. I use this for training to start my job. I'm really happy for the stuff that I found here. They help me a lot because they know better than me how was the situation. I love to involve them because they show me that can be that also that we give like a staff assignment, no? That we have to take the same road, the same way. We have just to consider it that we have to do everything for help the team and the player for the rest of the season. That can be important for everyone. Spoke with Nico. We decided that it's important, especially in one moment like this, that also the player are responsibility. We decided one board that including captain, vice captain, the young player, one foreign player, one local player, one player born in our academy, to try to give to them the responsibility. I think that can be one important message, and I hope that we can use also this to improving and to be better in the future.
Ove godine pripreme su bile baš specifične, bile su kratke i mislim da smo ih iskoristili na najbolji mogući način koliko smo mogli i mislim da je ekipa motivirana i željna dokazati što smo radili na pripremama i spremni smo za nastavak sezone. Novi trener je došao, odmah nove zamisli, radili smo dosta na taktici ova 2-3 dana. Evo i danas imamo zadnji trening pred utakmicu i dosta se radi na taktici i na postavci na terenu i mislim da možemo očekivati i dobar nogomet i dobar Hajduk u nastavku sezone. Čeka nas tvrda utakmica na Šubićevcu, ali mislim da svojom igrom Hajduk može ostvariti sva 3 boda i otići u Split sa pobjedom.